Imagine a smartphone that delivers everything you could ask for: stunning display, blazing speed, and cameras that capture every moment perfectly. That's exactly what was introduced recently, and it's one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. Today, we're diving into the latest release, the Realme 14 Pro 5G, and we're going to break down everything you need to know about this amazing device. From its performance to its design, display, and cameras, let's get into it right off the bat. You'll notice how sleek and modern this phone looks. With a bezel-less design, a punch-hole camera, and a curved display, it's clear that this device is built to impress. The screen-to-body ratio is an impressive 93%, which means you're getting a nearly full-screen experience. It's not just about looks either. The phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, making it durable for everyday use. Plus, it's IP68 rated, meaning it's both water and dust resistant, so no need to worry about accidental spills or drops. When it comes to the display, this phone packs a serious punch. You're looking at a 6.74-inch AMOLED screen that's capable of showing over a billion colors. That's right, 1.07 billion colors. The resolution is 1080 x 2412 pixels, and it's got a refresh rate of 144 Hz. This means everything looks super smooth, whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just scrolling through social media. Brightness? No problem here. The display can reach an incredible 4000 nits of peak brightness, so even under direct sunlight, the screen stays crystal clear. And with a contrast ratio of 5:0:0:0:0:0 to 1, you'll see deeper blacks and brighter whites, making everything on screen pop. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, you'll find the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. It's an octa-core processor with a mix of performance and efficiency cores, so whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using high-performance apps, this phone can handle it all smoothly. And paired with the Adreno 720 GPU, you're getting fantastic graphics performance. It comes with 8GB of RAM, but the best part? You can expand it with an extra 8GB of virtual RAM, giving you a total of 16GB of RAM to work with. That's plenty for heavy gaming or running multiple apps at once. Storage is also generous with 256GB, so you've got more than enough space for apps, photos, and videos. Unfortunately, there's no memory card slot for extra storage, but 256GB should be enough for most users. When it comes to connectivity, this phone is fully packed. You've got 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.4, so no matter where you are, you'll stay connected. The device also supports dual SIM with VoLTE, allowing you to use two numbers at the same time. For those who love taking photos and videos, you're going to love this. The Realme 14 Pro 5G comes with a powerful 50MP main rear camera, backed by a 13MP ultra-wide lens and a 2MP macro lens. Whether you're taking landscape shots, close-ups, or portraits, the photos come out sharp, detailed, and vibrant. Plus, you've got cool camera features like night mode, portrait mode, and even starry mode for capturing the night sky. When it comes to video, the rear camera can record in 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second, making it great for high-quality video content. On the front, you get a 50MP wide-angle camera, perfect for selfies. It's capable of recording in 1080p at 30 frames per second, and it even supports screen flash, so you can take bright selfies even in low-light conditions. Let's talk battery life, something we all care about. This phone is powered by a massive 5500 mAh battery. You won't have to worry about running out of juice during the day. And when it's time to charge, the 68W Superbook fast charging gets you from 0 to 50% in no time. There's even reverse charging, so you can use your phone to charge other devices if needed. The Realme 14 Pro 5G has some neat extras, too. There's an in-display fingerprint sensor for easy unlocking, and face unlock is also available if you prefer that. You won't find a 3.5mm headphone jack, but you do get USB-C, which supports charging, data transfer, and even tethering. And, of course, this device is running Android 15 with Realme's custom UI. It's smooth and fast, and packed with customization options to make the phone feel truly yours. Overall, the Realme 14 Pro 5G is shaping up to be an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance phone with a stunning display and powerful cameras. It's packed with features that make everyday use enjoyable, whether you're a gamer, photographer, or just someone who needs a fast, reliable phone. If you're interested in grabbing one, check out the link below to buy now. And before you go, make sure to watch the next video on the latest tech gadgets, it's right here on the end screen.